Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous section, we have to implement actually. This is the course detail page, but we get some error. So here, look at this. When the course details page got this error, course category undefined variable. Because of that, this is a different actually controller. Now where comes from that the issue? I just step by step to show of you. So go to and here you see that this is the tooltip global helper index web.blade.php. Now this is the view. Okay. And here we don't pass any course category. Because if I have passed the course category, the issue will be solved. But this is there's lots of multiple time and shows the same function again and again, but it's not appropriate. It's so better so make move some a global helper. Actually you will be understand, actually I make a global function to manage this error. Okay. Okay, just make the comment first. With, and actually this is the same function I have to be called here. Course dot user, and will be the course dot course goal, and that will be the gate. And here also where the issue is, it's a category, and also this is the category. Oh no, this category will be not showing. Okay, and here not showing. So what? So don't worry, I just manually create it, and why the category is not showing, I don't understand. That's okay. Okay, so what's the issue? What's the issue is arise? Not showing. Oh yes, this is the category also creating here. So no, no, okay, fine. And now this is our where this tooltip is gone. This is the component view. So boring things. Oh yeah, this is a tooltip. Okay, just manage the course categories. Okay, now this is the PHP block. Okay, let's put it. And now course underscore category get course categories. This is the course categories function, and I hope for the problem will be solved. Okay, let's check it from the browser. And now this is our browser, and just keep reload. So let's fix the issue. Yes, finally the data is came. This is our course detail page actually, and its work is perfectly, but it's little bit of late issue because of this. The image is properly not found. If we put the proper image, and this page is will be fast, so don't worry. Actually all of this is perfectly shown, but look at this footer will be not shown because of that. So just put the footer. So go to, okay, first go to the master. And also we the category is footer. Yes, this is the footer.blade.php into the section folder. So go to our master. Actually, here is the master, and this is the master. This is the footer area. Okay, so better just include frontend dot section and dot footer. Fine. Now check once again, and now just keep reload. It just give you a little bit of time, but make patience. And here is the footer scheme. Okay. So okay, fine. And now this is a challenge to step by step all of this dynamic data to make produce a solution. So better for this next video, I will cover each and everything will be dynamic. So please comment below how does the series tutorial is going on. So please make mention that if you like or not. If you really like this, please comments below, and that's why I've make feel some motive actually. And you are a new, please subscribe of this channel. And this channel I in very quickly I bring a new project actually, Marn Stack, real world WhatsApp clone and audio or video calling application, real life real time chat, and lots of more. So please keep with this support for the channel. Your small contribution to grow a lot. Thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.